The Polk County Central Jail Auxiliary Generator replacement, facilitated by Eau Gallie Electric as the primary contractor, was a FEMA-funded initiative aimed at enhancing the jail's emergency preparedness. The project involved the replacement of the existing generator with a robust 1750 kilowatts unit and comprehensive upgrades to the electrical infrastructure. Eau Gallie Electric oversaw the demolition of a large I-beam existing canopy and generator foundation, subsequently pouring a new pad foundation to support the upgraded generator and a 6,000-gallon fuel tank. They also managed the installation of new switchgear, motor controllers, grounding systems, surge suppression systems, and instrumentation and control wiring. In addition to these electrical upgrades, Eau Gallie Electric coordinated modifications to the security fencing, incorporating additional concertina wire as required for enhanced security measures. Throughout the project, Eau Gallie Electric executed all tasks within the secure facility without disruption to daily operations, ensuring that the jail maintained operational continuity. The project was completed ahead of schedule and under budget, significantly bolstering the facility's ability to withstand emergencies and guarantee uninterrupted power supply during critical situations.